just want to quickly tell you, I love Oreos. And this I got from Five Below. I found the Oreo and I just had to have that. So just wanted to show that to you. And some exciting, frustrating news at the same time. Wet n Wild announced that I didn't think we'd see another collection until August because, hearing that the labs haven't been, unless they went back to work, I don't know, but they have a new collection. They obviously must have gotten a huge inventory of this because you're going to be able to find it at all the major stores. But it is a Hello Kitty type collection, Sanrio. It is My Melody and Kuromi. And I got excited when they said they're gonna have it on their website. You can get it anywhere. Ulta, but I haven't followed Trend Mood in a while, and I regret that. I used to look at her maybe once a week, twice a week, and I haven't checked out, I guess, her website in a couple of weeks. And she announced that Ulta had it. They sold out in seconds, supposedly. When I found out, I went on the Ulta website and it said that it has sold out. But then I went through another, because my Safari's crap. I have an old computer and now my Safari doesn't work that well. So I went and checked it out again, and I usually check out my Ulta in like Firefox and other things as well. And it said that it was available, and it's telling you 36 people put this in their cart. And I'm like, what the heck? And I'm pressing add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. Because after the stress that I went through trying to get the summer collection, I'm tired. I don't want the anxiety of, oh my gosh, I got to get my hands on this. And Ulta ships them out within a day or two, whereas Wet n Wild takes 2 weeks. And then, they could come up with, oh, sorry, we ran out crap, So it would not let me add to cart. So I tried to sign in. By the time I signed in, it was out of stock again. And they still had it on the website for a couple of days. And then now it's not even on the website anymore. And women have already gotten theirs, like in 2 or 3 days. And they're already showing, on Instagram, showing it on YouTube. So it's called My Melody and Kuromi. I think it's got 2 eyeshadows. It's got 1 blush set. It's got 2 lipsticks and 2 glosses. And I'm not sure what else. Yeah, so it's in a box set, Oh, so mad that I didn't see that earlier. So, yeah, just to give you the heads up, it officially launches the 21st. You can buy it individually, I'm sure, at all the stores. But if you want the box set, Ulta had it, and I'm pretty sure Wet n Wild will have it. So yeah, so just letting you know, you can get individually, or you can wait the 21st. Sanrio and Wet n Wild will have it on the 21st. I'm going to be checking midnight that night before, I'm just going to keep trying. Usually it gets put up by 9ish, maybe 11 in the morning, but I'm still, one time it was up at like 5:36. So I'm just going to do my usual, leave the computer on, check at midnight, go to bed, keep checking, fall asleep, wake up in the middle of the night, check, fall asleep, wake up again, check, and then fall asleep and then get up, and just keep checking it. So, just be on your guard about that. And I'm not sure, I don't think there was anything else. I'm trying to think. But that was the big news for that. And that's all I can think of at the moment. That's the big thing now. And I just get mad because all the stress I went through to get the summer collection, I didn't want to have to be stressing out. So now I'm like anxious again until I get my hands on it. So yeah, so just wanted to give you the heads up about that. So yeah, so that's it. And I will see you next week with a new, one of the newer, one of the other colors in this summer collection. I really like it. Yeah. So yeah, I will see you next week. Mwah.